Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 11. This is Section 3.2, Problem 11. It says, put the following decimals in order from smallest to largest. So we have 8.441, 8.2, 8.05. So to see which one, we want to write the smallest one first. To see which one is the smallest, what we want to do is for all of them start in the leftmost digit, make a comparison. They all start with an 8. So there's a tie there. So now we want to go in one digit to the right. So our options are 4, 2, and 0. Now, since we're looking for the smallest number to write first, 0 is smaller than 2 or 4. So I will write the 8.05 as the first one in my list. And now that I've taken that out of the order, I can just compare the other two, 8.441 and 8.2. So the 2 and the 4 are the ones I'll compare. Well, 4 is larger, 2 is smaller. So 8.2 is the next largest one. And process of elimination, the largest one would be the only one left, 8.441. So those are the decimals written in order from largest to smallest. First 8.05, next 8.2, and finally last 8.441.